Hello everybody, how y'all doing today? We are in Rantoul at a new spot I've never been to. I'm pretty excited about it. Rantoul! It's awesome. See you guys down there. Got something on there. Oh yeah, she's getting heavy. What do we got there? Wow. Oh, socket. Looks like a light socket right there. Little bolt. Got a metal rod. A couple metal rods. Awesome. Cool. All right. First toss. Oh, dang. She just fell on it. Oh, what do we got? That's heavy. Yeah. That's pretty heavy. What is that? Oh, what is that? The heck? I haven't found one of these before. Get out. Oh, you almost tricked me. Well, that's metal. But you gotta go back. Metal rod. Another stick trying to be metal. Oh, what is this? Some kind of clamp. All right. Get off of there. Metal rod. There we go. What is this thing? Pretty cool. Make something nice. Something cool. Right. Right in the middle. We got on there, Maggie. More sticks trying to be metal. There's a lot of those metal rods down there. Stick. Whew. Metal rods. All right. Right there. Yeah. What do we got, Maggie? What do we got? Some more metal rods. Some more metal rods and a stick. Oh no, that's metal. What's that? It's just a little rectangle. What do we got? Ooh, ooh, look at that. Get it out. Get out of here. Something else on there? Stop swinging. Stop. What is that? Just a metal pull. All right. What is this thing? Huh. Maybe like a hinge or something for something. Metal rod. That's probably in a bull's nose. Probably. You know, hung down in the nose. That's probably it. What is that? Huh. Another light socket. And this. Whatever that went to. Cool. Get it out. Shit. Got something real heavy on there. Oh. Wow. Holy moly. Stop swinging. Don't swing. Don't swing. Oh. Don't fall off. Don't fall off. Whoa, awesome. Wow, that is awesome. Really heavy and really cool. I like it. Heck yeah. What else we got down there? Whew. What do we got? Cool. I'll get it out. Get it out. All right. That was probably used as a cannon. Yep. Ah. Why is it flat like that? Like to fit into something else, maybe. Rebar, small piece. Butt whooping, bam. Jackson's not here. If Jackson was here, we'd be down there by the river instead of up here. I mean, the people are slowing down as they go by. One person did swerve, was in that lane and swerved into this lane. No other traffic around. Maybe they weren't paying attention, I don't know. But my gosh, if this bothers you, there's something wrong with you. And all your muddy glory. Huh, what's that? Oh, a piece of rebar. Probably another light socket. Got some yellow curlicues. You need clean. You need a bath, Maggie. Here we go. Other side. What is this? Some plumbing pipe. Wow, oh my gosh, look at that. Turn the water off. That'll pay. Heck yeah. What do we got, Maggie? Feels pretty good. More plumbing pipe. What is this? Huh. Right, it's a good spot. Nice spot. Beautiful spot. Ooh, what is that? That looks different. Huh. It's just a metal pipe with a rock stuck to it. Yeah, oh, that's a skipper right there. Oh yeah. Skipper. Ain't gonna skip. Oh, it did. Nice. What is that? Oh, something heavy. I know that. Gosh, a motor. Woo! We got her out. My gosh. You wanted to come too, huh? Not today. Look at that. It's a small motor. 10 cents a pound, baby. A fan back there. Oh, she ain't spinning. Oh, man. Look at that pile going. We got a nice pile. All right. We got some headers. We got some, I think, man, another heavy item. Oh my God. Headers. Those are headers. Oh my gosh. That's so cool. Oh man. Yeah, that's a nice pile going today. Wow. Heck yeah. From all departments too. We got electrical, HVAC, plumbing, mechanic. That's awesome. This time. What do we got this time, Maggie? What are you pulling up? Oh my gosh. It's heavy. What do we got here? Oh. Some more plumbing stuff. That's a bolt. A nut and a bolt. What else we got here? An arch. Get off of there. Wrong way. That bad boy. That's cool. Getting it out. Getting her out. I like it. There's a bunch of stuff over here. What is that? Looked like it was going through my magnet. It's funny. Oh, is that a hose? Another bolt. Oh, it's a pipe. It's a pipe. It's a peep. It's a heavy piece of pipe. It's heavy. It's heavy. Oh. Oh, dang. What is that? Jeez. A little bit at a time. Wow. Another one. Now I got a whole motor almost. I got the headers. Oh. Those are heavy. Real heavy. Got some fencing too. What'd it do? Crash in here through a fence? Oh, golly. Oh, that's awesome. I can't even throw that. Woo. We got Maggie. What is that? What? That looks familiar. Oh, that'd be cool, huh? I mean, kind of does. A pump jack? Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Cool. I thought Maggie was tricking me. What the heck is that? Oh, just got some metal stuck in the rock there. Huh. All right, I'll bust her out. The mud. Out of the mud. Oh, yeah. Oh, oh. Stay on there. Yeah, it's still on there. Whew. Ooh, battery pack. Is that a stick? That's a stick. You're trying to trick me. Oh. Rechargeable. Nye. Cool. Probably a little RC car. Ooh, I wonder if there's one down there. That'd be cool. More money. Dang. Yeah, I pulled that right up out of the mud. Heck yeah. What's that? What do we got here? What is this? Old horse buckle? Oh my gosh. What is this? Huh. Another one? Strap? Oh my gosh. You know that's what it's got to be too. Oh, little worm. Get down there. Sorry, buddy. Oh, what's that say? FPS. FPS. That is cool right there. I love that. Wow. What the heck is this? Rebar, got some barbed wire fence on there too. What is that? What do we got here? I'm ripping something apart down there. What is this? It looks like a torpedo. Cool. We got some more fencing. Cool. Woo, that was fun. Yeah. What? What is that? What was that? What the heck was that? It was red and black, two of my favorite colors. Come on, let's get it back. Let's get it back. Come on. I know you just fell right here. Yeah, come on, pick it up, pick it up. Pick it up. What is that? What is that? All right, come on, nice and easy. Nice and easy. So if it falls off again, I'll be able to get it. Here is that stubborn ever start battery charger that did not want to come up. That is cool. It's got USB ports. Got a plug, plug it in right there. Somebody cut this off though. Somebody cut off the plug for it, so I can replace that. I don't know, we'll clean it up, see if she comes on. That'd be cool. I could use that. Heck yeah. Come on up. What do we got here? Ah! I can get it. Oh, gosh. Oh, what is this? A brake drum. Stop swinging. Oh, don't fall off. Brake drum, I think. There's plenty more down there. Oh, man. A couple more times. Woo! Old strap, some nails. Cool. Heck. All right, getting it out. A very good day. All right, everybody, that's going to conclude today in Rantoul. On these bridges, cars are going 55, 60 miles an hour on this highway bridge here. So I'm wearing orange. I'm making it so you can see me. I got everything off to the side and there's nothing in the roadway. So if you're out there and you're on one of these type of bridges, please wear orange. Wear something that makes you seen. Okay, it's very important because people aren't paying attention. They really aren't. So I just want you to be safe. Please go to KratosMagnetics.com, enter coupon code MADMAG to get 12% off your purchase. Go get a magnet. I promise you're gonna have so much fun. Have a good day, guys.